Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing some tips today on how to find trout for fishing. I'm here in southern Ontario and trout opener is only a couple days away, so I thought maybe release a video on how to show you guys how to find some trout. Most of the rivers and streams that people are going to be fishing this coming weekend on Saturday are going to be completely packed with fishermen, and I want to make sure you guys stay safe out there. So what we're going to be focusing on today is how to find them in smaller streams. There's tons of small streams around you, I'm sure, if you're in the North America. Streams that you normally wouldn't even expect to hold fish because they look so small can actually hold trout in them. For example, I have this stream just down here. And believe it or not, in that little creek down there, it does in fact hold trout. Here's the culvert, and as you can see, it's a pretty small creek. Now don't be discouraged if you go to your local creek and it's small and your hopes are down because you don't see anything. Just because you don't see trout in your little stream or your river doesn't mean they won't be there. 9 times out of 10 you can't see them anyway. What I suggest you guys do is pick your spot with your stream or river. Just kind of scout out beforehand before you go fishing. Types of deeper areas in the river are maybe banks where they can hide in and out, but they usually like currents, so any kind of place there's flow and kind of banks they can hide under, or just deeper areas. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, when you come back to fish, you're going to want to stand a good distance away from the creek or stream as possible, and you're going to cast your line down into the water. So if I was to fish this spot here, I would come up. I'd come up here and I'd stand right on the edge here and I'd cast down into there. If you're not sure if there's any little streams or rivers around you, I definitely check Google Maps. That has helped me a ton. And just see if there's any little waterways on satellite view, or you can even go on to Street View and see if there's any little culverts or streams in your area. That way you don't have to deal with the huge rush of fishermen going into the bigger streams and rivers, just due to the coronavirus that can be a little bit risky at the moment. And obviously fishing is meant to be safe and fun, and as much as you guys, I still want to go fishing this season, so this is an easy way to get out and still enjoy fishing and maintain social distancing at its finest. One more thing, just make sure when you guys are fishing in the smaller creeks, you're using very light line, very small hooks, and very small bait. I'd recommend small red worms if you can find any. Hands down the best bait for that situation. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and comment and like down below. That would be a great help. Thanks.